Peace, love, and light, family. This is Essie the Gardener coming to you with another video. Today, I'm actually going to be planting some transplants, broccoli. And what I'm going to attempt to do is actually plant in some smart pots or grow pots. And actually, they're the fabric ones, and I think you guys saw me use these before. And when I first started gardening, I actually planted some squash. So my squash was grown in the fabric grow pots, and they did really well. So I have 3 empty pots that I had squash grown in. So what I'm gonna do today is actually amend the soil, and amend means to add nutrients back into the soil. Because after your plants grow, they exhaust the nutrients. So you got to replenish, your soil. And the tip of the day is never throw your soil away. Some people throw their soil away, and their soil still be good. So what you want to do is just amend it. Add your nitrogen, your phosphorus, and your calcium, and magnesium, and your fertilizer, and some compost, and your soil is good as it was when you first started. So that's what I'm going to do today. And I'm actually going to plant 3 transplant. I'm going to be putting one in each one of my grow pots, and we're going to see how those do. I have some already out in the yard that's growing, and I just hate to see empty pots. So that's what I'm going to do today. And I'm going to add my amendments, and you guys just tune in and watch and learn. Your eco scrap fertilizer. So you want to get your hole ready, and what you want to do is put some fertilizer towards the bottom of the pot, so when the roots start to spread, that they have some feed at the bottom of your pot. And you just want to work it in real good. Get your hole ready. And this is actually another great fertilizer that I add to my mixture when I'm rebuilding my soil is worm castings. And worm castings is actually worm poop. So some people actually just buy worms and put in their garden so that they can fertilize their garden with actual worms. But this here is actually worm castings. So worm castings is nothing but worm poop. I know y'all probably saying, ooh, she touching worm poop? But it's a great nutrient for your plants. What you want to do is just gently pop them out. Come over this way. So you want to just push up on your cell, and then you want to just tap on your roots to get them, encourage them to get ready to start rooting and spreading out. Because sometimes your transplants could get root bound at the bottom, so you just want to, you know, not harm them, but just wake them up a little bit. So that's one broccoli transplant. And what I like to do is just sprinkle, they call it dressing, just dress around the plant with some fertilizer. And water it in really good, and just rake it with your hands. And I don't mind getting dirty, so I use my hands a lot of times. And just water that baby in. Get my second one in. Again, you just pop it out like so. Let me get this one over here. And again, just, you know, tap on the roots, encourage them to come out. There you go. You want to press firmly around so you can get the air pockets out. And we have another one over here. Actually, let me get some more fertilizer to put down in there. That's it, you guys. Put a little dressing on top with some fertilizer.
This is another Infosol production. Fossil Prod.
This is an original instrumental.
So, being that this is my first time growing the broccoli, I hear that broccoli gets really
Soulful
big.
music.
So I only put one transplant in each pot so that they won't have to, you know, fight for space to grow. So they need that space. So I wouldn't advise you to put like 2 in each pot. Just put 1 in each pot because they get really big. So there you have it.
Fossil Pride.
See if I get you guys a little bit close over here.
This is an original instrumental.
1 second, you guys. Let me get this camera situated right so I can show you what it looks like. So there you go. The soil has been amended with my cow manure. I'll show you guys my cow manure and my blood meal and some eco scrap fertilizer, and I added some more soil, just a little bit, and there you have it. Transplant broccoli and smart pots. So again, you want to just put 1 in each pot because they need that space to grow. It's simple. And now I'm going to water them down, and then I'm probably going to mulch them, but I'll probably wait till they grow up a little bit further so I can mulch them, and the mulch will help keep the moisture in the pot. So yeah, you guys, so that's how I did my transplant today with broccoli. And I also have 3 more to transplant, but I'm trying to figure out if I should put them in a grow pot or put them in a small raised bed that I built a couple of months ago. It's a small raised bed, but I was thinking about doing something fun with that raised bed, like planting some pumpkin, and since we're going into fall, and see how pumpkin growth would do. So yeah, you guys, so that's my video for today, transplanted broccoli. And again, I have 3 more left, so I can, you know, just easily put them in the flower beds that's in the yard, you know, just make a hole and pop them babies in. So yeah, you guys, thumbs up, like and subscribe my videos, and share. Again, share. And I thank you for watching and tuning into my channel. You guys have a great day. Peace, love, and light, and I'm out.